Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Today I'll show you about the software name is SEOCrawl. If you want to generate actionable SEO reports with your website, and if you need Search Console actual report, SEO report, and if you need Google Analytics data, actual data, then I think this video will be very helpful for you. Today I will introduce with you the software name is SEOCrawl. Okay, generate actionable SEO reports with your Search Console and Google Analytics data. It's only $19. I think you can buy it and for a lifetime, and your SEO will be very easy for you. You can manage it very easily. Okay, so let me introduce with you the summarize this SEOCrawl website. Okay, SEOCrawl software. I will show you the details about this software. So if you want to analyze over 16 months of Search Console and Google Analytics data with over 20 custom made SEO dashboard, I think this software will be best for you. If you want to monitor traffic forecast, keyword and URLs, growth trends and heat maps with detailed SEO reports sent to your email, then this software is suitable for you. At glance, we see that it is best for e-commerce, SaaS product marketing agencies, alternative to Ahrefs. Yeah, I think if you are SEO expert or if you are a beginner, you already know about the Surfer, SEO, SEMrush, Ahrefs, and anything. So it's alternative to SEMrush, Ahrefs, Surfer, SEO. So I think I don't have to give you a lot of options. You already know about it. So I want to give you the short overview about this software. SEOCrawl is designed to boost your SEO ranking using a powerful data warehouse, custom made dashboards and actionable reports. So let me show you the briefly about this software. This software will help you, and from this software let me show you the short brief about this software.
SEO
okay?
is the game and you're playing
Let's see here.
You can roll the dice and see where you land in those search results, but you've got a business to run. So now you're drowning in SEO data, trying to make sense of it all. Meanwhile, your competitors seem to have it all figured out. But you've got a secret weapon, or you will by the end of this video. What's happening, Sumo Links? It's Jay here with AppSumo, the #1 digital marketplace for marketing agencies and consultants. Today, I'm pumped to tell you all about SEOCrawL, a user-friendly toolkit that's jam-packed with powerful tools and dashboards to level up your SEO strategy. But before we jump into that good stuff, do me a favor and hit the subscribe button. Trust me.
And you already seen about this software from here. You already heard from here. So I want to give a short description about your website. How can you rank your website? SEOCrawL is a powerful data warehouse that analyzes over 16 months of historical data from Search Console and Google Analytics. Simply hook up your Search Console and Google Analytics accounts. Plus, you can build more than 20 different SEO dashboard custom made to fit your business like a globe. SEOCrawL gives you everything you need to monitor unlimited keywords, code keywords, and brand related keywords. You can even calculate the performance of URLs, folders, and subdomains to tackle any immediate issue head on. Track unlimited URLs and monitor their traffic evolution month by month. Working with team, share all your SEO dashboard in PDF and HTML formats to get everyone on the same page. Everyone can also receive weekly on Monday SEO newsletter that displays recent changes to keyword and URL performance. So now you understand all the things which I want to show you. So I think you will not do delay. From today, I think you determine that you will buy it, and if you you can do your SEO easily. Go to my description link. Here you will get your link to buy, and you will get discount from here, and you will get lifetime access. So I think this video is very helpful for you for your SEO life. Thank you very much for watching my video.